it's me here, and we're in for another speed challenge with a difference. This time I'm going to see how long it takes to sort of boil a pint of water with my not new, I've had it years, my commercial coffee maker. So we've got my pint of water. Oh dear. In the top. And we've got some coffee. So the good thing with this is we get some coffee out of it. So this light here will light up when I press the on button, and it'll go off when it's finished sort of boiling the water, and then I'll work out how long it's taken. So here we go. Cool. It's like waiting for coffee to brew. Still no coffee yet. Tum-ta-tum. Oh, there we go. It's just started. Hope you can see that. I don't think it's as fast as the kettle. Hey, it's finished! Woohoo! Still pouring out, but we will go upstairs and work out how fast that was. So I'll be back in a minute. So everybody, matey pips in it and all that, I've worked out the calculations, and the coffee machine has done it in 1 minute 57.51, which is 0.37 of a second faster than the kettle. So I'll pop up the leaderboard and get back to you shortly. Here we have the leaderboard after the first 3 events, and in first place we've got the Buffalo coffee machine with 1 minute 57.51. Second we've got the Cookworks kettle at 1 minute 57.88, that's very close indeed. And bringing up the rear, the Cookology induction hob at 2 minutes 56.04. Right, so after the third round, we've got the Buffalo machine in the lead with one more round to go, which will be the microwave, which I can't see beating those times at all. So I've just got time to say thanks for watching. I hope you join me on the next one, and see you later. Bye.